Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing video for this lift top coffee table that I'm about to put together. Out of the box, it looks really nice, the design. And so, if you are shopping this particular coffee table or something similar to it, you should have a much better idea as to what to expect when you bring everything out of the box. This coffee table does ship in one sort of a large flat box. It is pretty heavy, but one strong adult can probably move it. But if not, it's a good idea to have two pair of hands to move this. So you can see all the parts that are in similar size. Typically they get used during the same exact step, so you want to have those all next to each other so that you aren't scrambling and trying to find parts when you need it during the assembly. So it's going to be like the tabletop and the bottom of the table. These are probably going to be the sides. These are going to be the sides of the storage area, and then you have these smaller pieces here, which I'm sure are going to make up the bottoms and the different compartments of the table. This right here looks like to be the bottom of the inside storage area. These here are the hinges or the lift top mechanism, and here you see all the individually organized hardware parts, which is a major plus because this means that you don't have to do any organizing yourself. And last but not least, this is the instruction manual right here, and inside you can see a blown up version of the coffee table. These are all the hardware parts that are going to be necessary, and then they show you a basic breakdown on how you use the cam lock system. Very basic, very straightforward. Now in each step you see that they have these sort of blown up illustrations to kind of show you how parts are supposed to be oriented and how you're supposed to attach parts. So I think that's also a very beneficial thing to have in an instruction manual. Like this one, for example, when you're sliding and in this part number 6, which is right there, it shows you how you're supposed to be going inside the groove, similar to right here. So altogether, there's not too many pieces here. It looks like the instruction manual is pretty straightforward. I do have my work cut out for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you guys a finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this lift top coffee table that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembly is that this thing is awesome. So let's quickly take a look at the table. In case you are shopping this particular table, you have a much better idea of what you're getting yourself into. So off the top, I really like this sort of marble type of feel to it. It doesn't feel like marble, but you can see the design is sort of like marble like that, and I think it goes really well with the aesthetic that is being built here in this particular room. So obviously this is the lift top part of the table, and underneath here is the storage area. I think here is really good for putting maybe notepads or remote controls. Anything small that you need for your entertainment space can go in here. So I'm going to put my hand in here so you get an idea of sort of how big this area is. And so, yeah, nice little area for storage right here. Now on the bottom, they have this sort of a cubby area, and there's 2 sides to it. This one right here, and it goes through and through. Same thing on this side as well. So this thing does have some nice storage to it, and the aesthetic is really nice, as you can see here. And I'll show you underneath it. It has these rubber stoppers right here that stop this from breaking or from damaging this part right here. So I'm gonna pull it back just like that, nice and easy. Now as for the assembly, it took me about 1 hour and 15 minutes to put together. I did use an electric drill, and I did complete it on an elevated work table right there. And it's just a good idea just to preserve your body while you're doing the assembly. But overall, it's a pretty nice table. The instructions were pretty straightforward. It's got a nice design to it. The mechanism to open the table is really easy. And overall, I think it's a really nice desk. So I highly recommend it. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.